No. I did it again. Are you? How? Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another Swatch Saturday. Thank you for joining me. We are going to be swatching a brand that is not a well-known brand. They sent me over their entire, or at least what I think is their entire collection of lipsticks. There's 12 lipsticks in their matte manipulation collection. This is Folly Fire. These are all cream matte lipsticks. I thought that I would swatch them for you guys because they are all super bright colors and I had this bright makeup on. If you guys want to see how I got this look, it is in the Wet n Wild Pac-Man review swatch tutorial video. You guys know that when I do swatch videos for you, I like to have the entire collection so I can show you every single shade from that collection. So here we are. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna swatch the 12 shades from this collection with you guys, and that's that. I hope you guys enjoy, and thumbs up this video if you guys want me to continue to do Swatch Saturday, and comment down below what new lipsticks you've been dying to try, or lip glosses, lip liners, whatever it is, whatever suits Swatch Saturday. Comment that product down below, and maybe it will be in a future Swatch Saturday. This shade is called Mosh Pit Gal.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem.
This shade is Zombie Weekend. There we go. That's the pigmentation I wanted. I don't know why the black one wasn't getting it.
Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you.
This shade is called The Supreme.
Now that I got it.
This shade is called Never Cave.
Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night.
This shade is called Need a Boyfriend.
If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, 'cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two, now I'm gonna get this right. No, I'm not a role model, nothing ever seems to last.
This shade is called Kimono No.
I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it.
This shade is called Lovers Are Yesterday. This shade is called Looking. Matches the backdrop. This shade is called Here to Slay. This shade is Sunset Boulevard. This is pretty. Of course we say that for the one nude so far in this collection.
I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite.
This shade is called In the Mood.
No, I got a problem, no one made me wanna change. Then that was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a
And the last shade is called Full House.
Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with with you.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me for a couple minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. I post a Swatch Saturday every single Saturday, and I give you guys updates on my Instagram at Beauty by Julia, so make sure to go check that out there just in case, and check out all my videos here on the side. Love you, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!